This is Brent Cross shopping centre. It has 11 lifts. Before I went to this shopping centre, I went to Holiday Inn, which is a very tall tower. I wonder what sort of lifts it will have. It has generics. These generics are actually a very good example of Dewhurst features. I'm at the 10th floor and I'm going to go down. While I wait, I'm going to look outside through the fire exit. It's a retail park. I didn't push the film button on the way up. Sorry. I'm going to film it on the way down though. It's a housing estate. It says emergency only.
Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
Who is going to be riding a horse over this bridge? Panorama. This is the car park where they had a stupid fun fair recently, and over to the shopping centre. This shopping centre was built 40 years ago. And it's got loads of 70s architecture. It's a very messy shopping centre, except for John Lewis, which is nice and tidy. And that's the rest to the side all the way. This shopping centre is messy. Look, there's rubbish everywhere. Why don't the escalators have a nameplate? There's a dome. Look at these old lockable escalator mules. There was going to be a shutter that would close the escalator. The lifts here are some strange Otises.
Going down.
We've got a key switch to access basement and 4 which are locked off. It's got an Otis indicator, it's got Dewhurst buttons. It's just American floor numbering. It runs quite well.
Level 1. Doors open.
And now on to New Look. New Look has an Ornstein und Koppel escalator. And the lift here is a stunner! Got a loud fan. Not the worst lift in the world, but not exactly good. Which has a Schindler
Now
escalator.
on to Topman's.
Staff only. Square Dewhurst. The lift here is... I actually can't tell what it is. It's an it's an Oakland.
Mind the doors,
it's
please.
a generic. It's a generic, and it gets the floor numbering book. calls it upper ground and 1, but this building uses American floor numbering, so it should be 1 and 2. Slow. It's vibrating, and I'm holding the camera with my arm, which is why it's...
Upper ground floor.
And now on to our 5th lift in H&M. This lift is a lift deck, another generic.
Mind the doors, please.
Locked and locked, have to go to ground. It calls the floor numbering ground and 1 on the buttons, and that thing calls it upper mall and lower mall. This building uses American floor numbering, so it's actually 1 and 2. The middle of the shopping centre has a hydraulic lift.
Going up.
It's a generic hydraulic lift, not a very good one. It's very busy because the other one is broken.
Doors closing. Going up.
Nie ma, wiesz, zapasz tam. Yes, up. We are going up.
Floor 1.
Marks and Spencer has cone escalators. And an absolutely awful generic lift.
Down call accepted.
That says lower ground. The lift's going down. I told you this lift was rubbish. Come on. It also gets the floor numbering wrong. This lift is not actually a generic like I thought it was. It's actually a Thyssen, but I don't understand how it is so ridiculously awful.
Upper ground. Doors open.
This is a musical wall. Next to the toilets, there are some vending machines, which display the shopping centre's name in what appears to be a Corporation of London font. There is also a generic lift. This is the generic lift that goes up to the offices. It's slow.
Going up. Please mind
Let's go
the
to
door.
offices.
Doors closing. Going up. Floor 2. Doors open. Going down.
You okay?
Please
Yeah.
mind the door.
Are you working?
Doors
I pushed
closing.
2 when I meant to push 0.
Going down.
I'm interested in lifts.
Floor 0. Doors open. Go.
these enviro. And now into escalators are this wells. Finally, something reasonably good. This is a set of Ecodiscs. I'm going to try and go up. Come on. Keep stopping at different floors. The fourth floor is locked. So I'm going to go down. This is an infinity mirror, so it's difficult to not film myself. It has the one you change chime. Otis escalator. Up into the food court. It's got a dome with adverts in it. Is not actually out of service. Hang on. Has this got car preference tone? Is this in fire mode? Has it got car preference turned on?
Doors open.
Somebody from the centre management has come and he appears to have fixed the lift. The lift was broken because its doors were continually detecting some sort of obstruction that wasn't really there, and being a stupid generic, it hasn't got a nudge mode.
Doors open. Going down.
Two, please. Two.
Thank you very much. Stay,
I'm gonna go up.
Stay.
This is a lift is stupid generic.
Hold it, please.
Going up.
Yes! They wanted to go down. I'm going up. They are stupid.
Floor 4. Doors opening.
Going up.
We're going down, but
Yeah, it's fine.
Please mind the door.
The other lift is
Doors
broken
closing.
and it's really slow, this lift.
Going up.
Yeah. Generic lifts.
Floor 5. Doors opening.
More lifts this way. Let's go out onto the rooftop car park. This rooftop car park is deserted a lot of the time. There's a really good view. I'm not going to film myself walking all the way over there. These are some views from inside the Eastern Tower. This is the lift lobby. Another lift for one of them is broken. It's being modernised by somebody, LWB, can't tell. Definitely not Cone. I would like it to be Cone. So this is where the indicator was and it got removed. And let's look all on the inside.
Going
Quite a lot
down.
in.
What floor are we on then?
The 5th floor.
No, I know that. It's just what number are we on?
Please mind the doors.
Well, the previous
Doors
floor this lift
closing.
stopped at, it stopped at the 2nd
Going
floor
down.
and the 3rd
Please
floor, then it
mind
just
the
skipped the
doors.
4th floor, came up to
Doors
this floor.
closing.
I'm interested in lifts.
Going
Right,
down.
okay.
Why are you interested in lifts? He's
Floor
interested in
3.
That's
Doors
weird.
opening. Going down.
Come, we have to go.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
I've got some pictures for the SR printers.
Where can I see? Can I see?
George.
Floor
Just
1.
below.
One.
Doors
I
open.
see.
This car park had so many alarmed fire exits, I was almost hoping the fire alarm would go off. Virgin Active has an Otis Gen 2. Which is it looks like in yeah.
You're not allowed filming here.
There's a tunnel. First good the first good TFL lift I've ever seen. I think this is actually an Ecodisc in disguise.